Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out something that will completely change your home, bar, or office setup: the large capacity countertop ice maker. This machine can produce up to 41 pounds of ice per day, comes with a 3-liter detachable water tank, and even has a self-cleaning function. If you're tired of constantly buying bags of ice or waiting for slow freezer trays, this might just be your new best friend. Let's dive in. First off, the design. It's compact enough to sit on your kitchen counter or bar, but still offers a large water tank and high ice capacity. The sleek build makes it blend easily with modern appliances. And because it's portable, you can move it around, perfect for parties, outdoor gatherings, or even office use. Now, let's talk performance. This machine can produce up to 41 pounds of ice in just 24 hours, which is more than enough for family use or small events. It delivers ice quickly, so no more waiting forever when guests need a refill. You also get the convenience of a detachable 3-liter water tank, which means fewer refills and continuous operation. One of my favorite features is the one-click operation. You don't need to mess with complicated settings, just press a button and the ice starts rolling. And here's the best part: it comes with a self-cleaning function. That saves you time and effort while keeping your ice fresh and hygienic, which is a big win for daily use. This ice maker isn't just for the kitchen. It's ideal for home use, bars, RVs, or office setups. If you love hosting parties, or you're someone who drinks a lot of iced beverages throughout the day, this machine takes all the hassle out of keeping ice ready. Plus, the continuous supply means you'll never run out during a busy day or special event. So, who should consider this ice maker? Honestly, anyone who wants a steady and reliable ice supply. It's great for families, entertainers, or even small businesses like cafes and bars. If you're tired of the freezer not keeping up, this will be a game changer. To wrap it up, the large capacity ice maker gives you 41 pounds of ice per day, a 3L detachable water tank, one-click operation, and a self-cleaning system, all in a compact, portable design. If you've been thinking about upgrading your ice game, this is definitely worth checking out. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check the latest price and deals. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.